Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2025 Toyota Fortuner Modellista, the ultimate reliable 7-seater SUV with premium styling. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Modellista is here, redefining luxury and reliability in the 7-seater SUV market. Built for adventure yet exuding elegance, the new Fortuner Modellista combines Toyota's legendary dependability with striking design enhancements and modern features. Whether you're heading for a family trip, a business meeting, or off-road exploration, this vehicle is built to make a statement. Performance: powerful and efficient under the hood, the Fortuner Modellista boasts a 2.8 litres diesel engine that delivers exceptional power and torque, ideal for long drives, towing, and challenging terrains. Here are the key performance highlights. Output: 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Transmission: smooth 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters for a sporty feel. Efficiency: excellent fuel economy, making it an eco-friendly option for a large SUV. All-terrain capability: comes with advanced 4x4 technology, including a differential lock and off-road traction control for seamless driving in any environment. Exterior: bold Modellista styling. Toyota's Modellista division has added a touch of sophistication and sportiness to the Fortuner. The exterior modifications include front design: aggressive new grille with a chrome accent and aerodynamic Modellista bumpers. Lighting: sleek bi-LED headlamps with dynamic turn signals and LED fog lights. Wheels: stylish 20-inch alloy wheels with a diamond-cut finish. Accents: Modellista side skirts and rear spoiler that enhance aerodynamics and aesthetics. Color options: a range of premium colors, including pearl white, jet black, and metallic bronze. The Fortuner Modellista stands out with its commanding road presence and refined design, making it a head-turner wherever you go. Interior: luxurious and spacious. Step inside, and you'll find a premium cabin designed to ensure comfort for all 7 passengers. The interior features include seating: plush leather seats with ventilated front seats and power adjustment options. Infotainment: a 10.1-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Sound system: premium 11-speaker JBL audio system for immersive sound. Climate control: dual-zone automatic climate control with rear AC vents. Storage: ample cargo space and multiple storage compartments for added convenience. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the soft-touch materials, speaks of Toyota's commitment to quality. Safety and technology: safety remains a top priority for the Fortuner Modellista. Equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense suite, it includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor, 360-degree camera. These features ensure peace of mind, whether you're driving in the city or venturing into the wild. Why choose the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Modellista? Legendary reliability, backed by Toyota's reputation for building long-lasting vehicles. Stylish and exclusive, Modellista upgrades make it stand out in the crowded SUV market. Practicality meets performance, ideal for families, professionals, and adventure seekers alike. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Modellista isn't just an SUV, it's a statement of power, style, and versatility. Whether you value performance, safety, or luxury, this 7-seater delivers it all. Ready to experience the future of SUVs? Visit your nearest Toyota showroom to test drive the Fortuner Modellista and elevate your journey.